Welcome back, everybody, to Backyard Cooking with Patrick and Bucket, where this week, as you could probably tell, we are not in my backyard. Instead, we are here at J. Blanchard Park, which is a park about 2.5 miles away from campus, and we are continuing Outdoor Adventures theme of local adventures. So we're here at J. Blanchard Park, and we are going to show you how to cook a shrimp boil on the grill. Thank you, everybody, for watching this week's episode of Backyard Cooking. I really recommend that you try out this recipe, but I recommend even more coming out to J. Blanchard Park and just enjoying some time in the sun. If you want more resources on how you can get outside on and around campus, and if you like this content, make sure that you follow us at UCF Outdoor Adventure and UCF RWC. Stay safe, guys.